If you're a natural grinder, nobody teaches you how to take a day off. And so taking a day off feels like a waste and feels like you're going backwards. You're the kind of guy probably, like most drivers, who feel like life is good when you're putting points on the board.
Right.
Progress is everything. And if progress is everything, when you're not moving forward, you actually start to drift backward, and that feels really, really terrible. The point is you got to get a different kind of balance in your life and see progress across multiple domains, not just work. And there are ways to do it. So for example, in your physical health, in learning new skills, in building your spiritual life, those are the things you dedicate yourself to when you're actually not working. So no matter what, you're going to continue to make progress. There will be something that's sharpening the saw, making progress in a different area. That's how to think about it.